Welcome, in front of me is Galaxy S25, and in this video I will tell you what to do if you can't access your device using your screen lock pattern. So the first thing that you should try is take your time and remember the pattern that worked for you the last time you tried to sign in to your device. And if you can't do this, then contact the Samsung customer support service and tell them about your issue. And if you let them know about it and prove the ownership of the device to them, they will surely help you out and let you regain access to your phone without the need to remove any data from it. And if this doesn't sound like an option to you, then the other solution would be to perform a factory reset operation. And to do that, you can either use a Find My Device feature if you want to do it locally, if you want to do it remotely, and if you want to do it remotely, just go to Find Hub service by Google. You can find it their website, log into your Google account that is connected with this Samsung phone, and select this phone on the list and remove everything by pressing factory reset. And after that, everything will be erased from your device and you will be able to regain access to it once again. And if you want to perform the factory reset operation locally, then you'll simply have to use Samsung recovery tools. And if you don't know how to access them or how to use them, then we have an entire video on our channel explaining how to do that step by step. So if you need it, go ahead and check it out. And that will be all for this video. So if you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.